Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to change CSS variable through JavaScript. In the previous video we have learned how to use CSS variable, and we will use we will go in advance in this video. So what I am planning is let's build one like theme changing web page. So I am planning to create a website, create a web page which have option to change the theme of that page. So like I will give user three option, like you that you can view this web page in the black background or white background or pink background, whatever we will give. User can select any one of those. So that is my motto. So let's start here. So you can see here I have created uh, one nav, right? And given the logo, you can say it as logo, and this is the theme that I will provide uh, in the navbar. I have given three div and I will design accordingly, right? And all of CSS file will be in the CSS index.css. You can see here, and I already have linked that page in this index page, index HTML. So this is the uh, pre-written some styles like margin. By default body has some margin, so I have removed that. And box sizing, this will, like whenever you will give padding or padding inside a box, it will not exceed uh, 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 exceed beyond the width, right? So padding will be calculated inside that width. So this is the template that I have written. Now let's start. So what I want is I want to like style the navbar first. So let's uh, start here. So style here. Now let's design the logo first. Uh, Font family, cursive. Let me give some border because I'm not able to visualize. Um, let's give it height, 100 view height, border 1 pixel solid red, and now I wanna use let's define some global variable uh, background uh, pink, and I will use this in the body where background. So this is ready. Now the next thing I will do is Let make the container width 90%. I want some space from starting and the ending. So that's why I have given the 90%. The border is not visible, so you can use here white. And to move this box in the center, we will write margin auto. It will place it in the center. Now let's style the nav bar. So I will target this nav class dot nav border pixel solid, and let's give it white. And this is ready. The next thing, let's give some space, some margin on this box. So I can also give padding here, and it will work. So this is the way, this is the things that I wanted. This is now ready. Now let's style the three option. I am like going to design a circle, three circle, and I will give background black, pink, white, and then we will move to the JS file. So let's design that. So I will target the theme class here. You can see here this theme has all the three boxes that I want to create here. So theme, and inside the theme I want target not target first give some border, one pixel solid, and let's give it white. Give it width 15%, and this as you can see here, this is coming below that. So to fix that, I will need to write here display flex and justify contain a space between. So this is now looking good. The next thing, I will go to design these circles, three dips. I'm going to design it in a circle, right? So to do that, I will do like this. Target, use n child selector, one, give the width 10, not 10, 25 pixel will be good. Height 25 pixel, and give some border so that it can be visual to you. Right, good. And same style for the rest of the two boxes. I just need to change 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Now this is like placed in column wise. I want row wise. So to do that, I will do here in the theme box, I will do display flex and align item center Align item center, I write wrote here because I want to place in the center of this vertically center, right? It initially this three boxes was on the top, but it is in the center. So you can use this align item center properties to place in the center vertically. Now I want to align the three boxes vertically as well, horizontally as well. So I will use space evenly property. So this is looking good. Now I wanna center. I want to like make it a circle. So to do that, I need to do uh, border radius 50% and copy this rest of the two. So this is now looking good. Now what I wanna give background to each of these boxes. So you can hard code it or you can place in the global list, global CSS global list. So um, I'm writing like this. In first will be white, second theme will be black, third theme will be pink. Let's give this to this variable. So this is ready, right? Uh, you can remove this because you are already written. You can use here for the thing, right? And now you can use that background color where first theme, background color where second theme, background color where third theme. So this is now ready. There is no use to write any CSS because I already have designed the page. Now it's time to move on to the JS file. So let me first create one folder because everything if you write in the HTML page it will be lengthy, it will be not readable. So always use different folder of file to write CSS or JavaScript. So let's name it index.js. And the first thing I will do is link that page to the HTML. So this is now linked. You can use that. So let's learn some keyword here. Let me move it to here, variables. So now what I want is I want to make these three circles as buttons. When user click on any of these, the background color will be changed accordingly, right? So like if user click on white, the background will be white. If black, background will be black. If pink is clicked, then background will be pink, right? So this is the target that I wanna achieve. So let's what I can do. First, select these three circles in the JS file and give the event listener to each of the circles. So to do that, what I will do, the way we select HTML element in the JS is like document dot query selector. Uh, what I can do, you need to give some class or tag class or ID. First, second, third. Now you can select it. First, right. So this is not selected. This first circle is selected. You can write add event listener, give click event, and uh, uh, a function, callback function. We call that when you write another function, when you pass another function inside a function, we call it as callback. So if you like want to test whether it is selected or not, so you can test it like this. If you click on first, it will be visual in the console. So this is now working. Now what I want is I want to change the background. Let me open this file as well. So what I want is I want to change this background color to white, right? I want to change this CSS style to white. So first we will need to select this property. So the way we select is like this. First you need to select the root element, like everything. Root means everything, every HTML element. So the way we will select that, you will need to write document dot and query selector and root, not this way. So this is now selected. Now we need to change that. So the way we will do is go to the event listener. Now you need to change that, right? When you click on the white dot, it will be white. So there are some method that you need to use. Get computed style. So this so this get computed style method will select all the CSS style, and if you want to console, you will use get property value after that, right? But I wanna set. If you want to get, you can let me select all the style first. Document, not document. get computed style and give the root that that you have declared here. So if you console, like, let's first see what is root. So as I said earlier, everything in the CSS file is the root. Every HTML tag from HTML starting to ending, all the things is a root, right? So this is the root. Now, if you see here in the style, every style is now selected, right? Every style is now selected. If you want to get any properties, you will use this method get properties value. Let's say I want to get this properties value, right? So we will write get, let me see. So let's see. Let's first equal to styles dot get property value and give the CSS variable first. So this should be selected. Let's see. First thing, if you click on it, then the CSS variable is now selected. Now see, this is not selected. So this is the way we can select what we want to set, right? We do not want to get only, want to set. So to set the style, you will use set property. So let me see some uh, code here. So you need to write uh, style dot properties and give the properties value and give the another value. So what you will need to do is you will do, you do not need to write that, do root dot style dot set and the what I want to change background. There is no background, so what I need to do, so let's declare first. Copy this and let's give it here, and instead of writing here, let's see. Okay, I did something wrong here. Let's say by default I want to give the theme pink. So by default, I have given the background pink. Now what I want to change this background variable. So write background variable name and give the another value that you want to set, like black or white. If it okay, this is not working. So let's see what I have did wrong. Copy. Give me some time. Fix this. Yes, here is the wrong things. Here we need to give the background. So this will work now. As you can see here, if I clicked on it, it is now changed to white. And the same thing you need to do for rest of these circles. First, select the element, give the add event listener, select that, and select the whatever uh, you want to change and give the value. So this keyword you need to use like learn, keep it in mind. You just need to change it. Second, so if you give black here, and if you clicked on it, it will be changed to black. If you give pink, this color is not good. So you can also select the style from the CSS file. I already said that you need to write root dot get property value and write here the variables dot theme. Okay, get properties value is not a function. Go to this website and you can. So you need to use this as well. Let third theme equal to get computed style and give their root, and you need to write third theme dot what is that name. So this should work now. This is not now working, right? You can also change the uh, text color as well, right? You can see here if I click on black, the text here is not visual, so you can also change that. You just need to do declare one variable. uh, what I should be here. By default, let's leave it as black, right? But when I change the website in the white, this is also looking good, but this white color is not visible, so you can also change the border. I think that will work. Yeah, this is not good. In every color it is visible. So let's say if I click on black, it the text I want in blue. So you can also do that. So go to the black one, and the same thing you need to do, copy paste, and instead of background you need to change it to white. So this should work. Not working. Okay, there is something wrong. Okay, I declared, but I have not used that variable. So let me use where color. Now it is good. I clicked on this, so it should be black again. So color black. If I clicked on pink, color should be white. So this should be ready now. The border is not visible in every page. So what I can do, I can change the border to something else. Container white instead of white. Give it blue, I guess. So in white it is good, in black good, pink good, and the same thing in the nav border. Change it to something different. Yes, this is good now. You can also change this border. So this is now ready. So this way you can apply change theme in your website. So you just need to use CSS variable, and everything will be ready. And like everything will be simple. You need to just uh, keep some keyword in the mind. You just first thing you need to declare variables inside the CSS file that you want to change, right? You want to change through JavaScript. So declare that in the global list, or you can also declare it in the uh, local, but you will need to change some lines of code here. Instead of root, you need to select that selector. And so the first thing, you declare the variables in the list. You used that, right? I use the color, I use the background variables. Now to change that, change the background properties and the color value through JavaScript. You need to first select the root element, everything, like you can name it as everything. Now select that circle, add event to it, clicked event I have used. You can use other event as well, on mouse over or something else, on key press, anything that you want to use. And then you need to just use this variable dot style dot set properties. So this is uh, tricky. You just need to learn, uh, and then it take two argument. First will be the variable name that you want to change. In my case, I want to change background, and the second will be value, what value it should be after changing, right? So background, by default it was pink. I want and I change it to white, and same thing I have did for color as well. Color was initially black, I changed it to black. I have not changed it here, but I change it in the next block, you can see here. So this is it. uh, this is the simple web page that is with see like theme changing functionality. So I will add the GitHub link of this project in the description, right? So you can use that this code, and it will be very simple for you. So that's it. Thank you.